Exploring character set, constants, variables, and keywords in C programming. WeDoCare. In this video, we're embarking on a journey through the fundamental elements of C programming. Let's uncover the character set, constants, variables, and keywords that shape the coding world. Character set. In the world of programming, a character denotes any alphabet, digit, or special symbol used to convey information. It's the DNA of communication in coding. For example, A, 9, and plus are characters. Understand the core concepts of constants, variables, and keywords. Constants are like rock-solid facts that never change. Variables, on the other hand, are like containers that can hold different values. Keywords are the words that have special meanings in C programming, like int for declaring integers. Memory cells and names. Imagine your computer's memory as a vast library with millions of cells. Results of calculations are stored in these cells. To make it easy to find and use these values, each cell is given a name, called a variable name. As these values can change, they are considered variables. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.